Because I want to see if you lost anything.
What?
I want to see if you lost anything. You okay?
I want to see that for.
Oh, shit. Here we go again. Worst place in the world.
Because I had got a couple calls says you was wandering around here.
And I can't wander?
Yes, you can.
It's a crime for wandering?
I never said it. You're saying it's a crime for wandering.
So what's the problem?
Well, people are concerned that you here.
What people is concerned? What that got to do with me? It's a problem?
Yes, it might be a problem. People are concerned about you. They want to know.
I don't give a about these people.
Okay, but they want to know why you're in the neighborhood.
I don't give a why. They don't need to know why I'm in the neighborhood. I'm in the neighborhood because I feel like I'm being in the neighborhood.
So you just feel like being in the neighborhood?
I just feel like being in the neighborhood.
So you just feel like, wandering?
I just feel like walking through the neighborhood. Yes,
okay.
absolutely.
Like, okay,
I can't walk through black. You black like me.
I know I'm going to walk with you.
So
we going to walk. We walking together, right?
I can't walk. What you mean?
I didn't say you can't walk.
Why you harassing me, bro?
How I'm harassing you?
Because you walk. I don't even know you, first and foremost. And you just hopped out of your car asking me why am I walking through. I'm on camera, bro. The whole time I've been out here, I'm on camera.
You on camera too?
Walking through the fucking neighborhood. So what's the problem?
I'm walking with you.
You don't gotta walk with me.
What's I do?
Why?
Why? You said we just walking, right?
I'm just walking.
And I'm walking too.
Why I can't walk by myself? What's the problem?
Can I ask you what's the area?
Because I feel like
walking with you.
You can't. So
I cannot walk with you.
Back in your truck, bro. You black, bro. You know what's going on. These on some bullshit from people. Give a down, but I look like a robber because I'm black. I like a robber because I'm black. Now I'm being harassed.
Okay,
you f***ing up my day. Your supervisor told you gotta walk. That's why you doing what you doing. And you're not even doing it because that's what you want to do. Because you're supervisor, and I'm in a rich neighborhood.
Because my supervisor, no, people call about you.
I'm rich.
And that's fine.
I live in the neighborhood.
Okay.
So why are you following me?
You live in the neighborhood. What's your name then?
It doesn't matter. I don't have to tell you my name.
Okay, now, come on. We can stand here and just look at each other.
What you mean? I don't want you walking with me. You harassing me.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
I don't want you walking with me.
And if people don't want you...
I didn't do nothing wrong. What the f*** is the problem?
Because I'm trying to figure out why are you for one thing?
Because
why are you
I want to.
Okay, now I can walk.
You don't have to walk with me, though. You don't got to walk with me. I want to walk in the neighborhood.
You said I don't have to, but I can.
Because I feel like
walking. And I feel like walking with you. Because you want to curse, I can curse too.
That's harassing.
Nah, it's harassing with you. Did I tell this guy just walking with harassing?
You do, bro.
I am doing what I'm doing.
Thank you.
I'm doing what I'm doing.
Bro. You ain't got to follow me. Why is you following me, though?
I'm doing what I'm doing. You just said I don't have to, but I can. That's two different things like you.
Serious?
You don't have to, but you can, right?
I don't, listen, I'm committing a crime.
And they say you commit a crime. You're saying that.
Why are you following me?
I'm a cop, and you will respect my authority. Oh! Get your ass to jail!
What you mean why I'm following you?
Why are you following me?
I said I could walk with you. I can walk. I can walk too.
I'm telling you can't walk with me.
Okay, fine. I just walk beside you. I just won't be with you, huh?
Yo, you harassing me, bro.
Now I'm harassing you.
Getting harassed by a black cop in a white neighborhood.
I'm trying to figure out why are you here?
Because I fucking want to be here.
And I can walk with you because I want to be here. Yeah, I can. I can. Yes, I can.
Bitch, no the f*** you can't. No the f*** you can't walk with me because you fucking want to walk with me. I know my fucking rights. Call your fucking supervisor.
Okay, I will call him. I'll call him.
What you talking about?
Don't worry.
Hey, talking about
8236, 8235, you know, Cottonwood and Walnut Circle.
13 County Impulse. Be there in about 5 minutes.
You ain't gonna buy me a house, you gonna buy my daughter.
You want to speak to my supervisor?
You fucking harassing me.
You say you want to speak to my supervisor?
Harassing me.
My supervisor's on his way too.
You fucking harassing me, pussy. I've been fucking cameraed up since I came in this fucking neighborhood.
Okay.
Get off. What the you follow me for? Because I'm in this neighborhood. Get out of here, man. Do what I want to do. My morning up.
This afternoon now, sir.
That's my day. My day up. So stop following me, bro.
Don't let my supervisor come. You said speak to my supervisor.
So go to your truck.
I don't have to go to my truck.
I'm not valet. I'm not on nobody.
You're totally right. I agree with you.
Is you following me,
you asked my supervisor.
Why?
You asked my supervisor,
no, I didn't.
Right?
Bye.
Yes, you did.
Bye.
Record your camera.
Bye.
Bye, Felicia.
No.
Bye. Stop following me.
Sorry.
Stop following me.
I don't have to go to my truck.
Stop following me.
I don't have to go to my truck.
Stop following me. You don't got to follow me. That's harassment.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
What's going on, boss?
I don't know. Actual fucking
Come on over here.
Talk with me. I don't gotta go nowhere.
Talk with me.
I don't gotta go talk with nobody. I'm talking to you right here.
Okay, what's going on?
I don't know. Ask this.
I'm asking you.
I'm
What's going
asking
on?
this.
I'm asking you.
Ask this.
We got a call.
I don't know about your
suspicious
call.
of a suspicious person.
What suspicious
That's
person?
it. They
A
said
black
that-
person?
No, they
A
said they
black
were
dude?
taking
A black?
photos.
Yes, I'm
of
taking
houses.
photos. Yes.
Okay. For
yes,
what
I'm
reason?
videoing because I
what
feel
reason?
like it.
Because
I
it?
feel like
All right.
it.
Can I get your ID, please?
No, you cannot.
Why not?
Why do you want my? I ain't commit no crime. My name Daryl Baker.
Okay, Daryl Baker.
What's up?
What's your date of birth?
The f is you talking about?
I'm not talking about anything. I'm right here, man.
I'm
right here. Stop moving.
Why is you?
Stop moving.
Listen, I don't gotta stop moving.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
Why is you
I'm
detaining
telling
me?
you.
For what?
Stop.
For what?
Stop.
For what?
Stop.
For what? Man, don't touch me no more, bro. For what? I don't gotta stop moving.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't. No, I don't. What crime did I commit?
I'm not saying you committed.
All right, so why am I stopping? Why am I detained? All I'm doing is walking through the fucking neighborhood.
Okay.
All I'm doing is walking through the fucking neighborhood.
That's fine.
That's it.
Now I just need to make sure that you're clear.
Listen, man. Listen, man. Get the fuck out of my face. That's what you do. You get the fuck out of my face.
I'm not getting out of your face. I'm right here, my man.
Out of my face.
But Mr. Baker.
Listen, man. Why is y'all harassing me?
Mr. Baker, he told you why he called.
Hey, I don't care. That don't got nothing to do with me. I can't walk through a fucking neighborhood. I can't walk through a fucking neighborhood.
You always walk through.
That's all I'm doing. I'm not driving. I'm walking through a fucking neighborhood.
So then what's the problem with telling us who you
Run
are?
your fucking name.
What's the problem with
Do
telling us
the
who
fuck I want to do.
Okay.
I'm a free man. I do what the fuck I want to do. And I ain't fucking scared of you.
Okay.
Or going to jail.
That's fine.
So get the fuck out of my
No,
face.
I'm not going to get out of your face.
Run the
Stay right here.
run the fucking name. Because you a dickhead ass white boy. That's what you want to be.
That's fine. You think how you want to.
You a dickhead ass white boy. That's what you want. Can I get some space?
No, you can't.
Man, you better get the fuck. Yo.
Stop.
Yo, run my name, don't
Mr.
touch
Baker.
me.
Mr. Baker.
Run my name, don't
Mr.
touch me.
Baker.
Why is you about to touch me?
Mr. Baker.
Why is he about to touch me?
Mr. Baker.
What you want to do, shoot me?
No, I don't.
That's what you want to do? See? That's what you want to do?
I just want to know why
That's what you want to do? Because I fucking feel like it. Because I fucking feel like it.
Alright.
That's why the fuck I'm here.
Okay.
What's cracking?
Nothing's cracking, my man.
So why the fuck is you in my face?
I'm not in your
Run
face.
the fucking name and keep it moving.
I need to make sure that
Run
you're
the
good.
fucking name and get in that car.
No, I'm not going to do that.
Run my name and get in your fucking car.
I'm going to wait for another officer to get
Run
in
your
car.
name and get in your fucking car.
You're not going to dictate what I do. All right?
Yo, man.
Mr. Baker. Mr. Baker.
Yo, I'm trying to keep it moving like I've been
Mr.
doing.
Baker. Stop.
Why are you
Stop
touching
moving.
me, bro?
Stop.
Why are you touching me?
Stop moving.
Why is he touching
Mr.
me?
Baker, you need to
Why
stop,
are you
please.
Stop.
look?
Mr. Baker.
Why is he
Stop
touching me?
Mr. Baker.
Stop
Stop
moving.
touching me.
Stop moving.
His name is see his name?
Stop moving.
See his name?
All right?
See this fucking name?
Stop moving.
Why are you touching me?
Stop moving.
Why are you touching me,
moving.
bro?
Stop moving.
I don't gotta stop moving. I'm not detained. Am I detained?
Right now you are being
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Run my fucking name.
You need to calm
I'm
down.
not
Calm
being
down.
detained.
Yes, you are being detained right now.
Run my name.
I'll run it when I get another officer here. All right?
Yo, man, you just harassing me because I'm walking through your fucking community? I'm from New York. I'm an independent fucking contractor. Get the fuck off of me. Get the fuck off of me.
Stop.
Stop touching me. Run the fucking name and get the fuck out my face. Period. All I did was go for a fucking walk. It's my fucking day off.
You say you're from New York?
I don't give a fuck. Girl, get the fuck out of my face.
Stop moving.
Yo,
Listen, I've already told you.
yo, run my name.
Stop moving.
So what you gonna do?
What do you mean what am I
What you
doing?
gonna do?
What do you mean?
What you wanna do? What you wanna do?
Listen, I need to make sure.
What the run the name?
I'm not going to run until I get another officer here. You
Yo.
got it? Like I said, you're not going to dictate
I'm not
my
detained, homie.
Yes, you
I'm
are.
not a criminal.
I didn't
How
say
you
were.
detaining that's not doing a crime?
I didn't say you
How
were.
you detaining somebody that's not doing a crime? How you detaining me because I'm walking through the fucking neighborhood? How you detaining me because I'm walking through the fucking neighborhood?
Stop. Stop.
All units emergency.
Talking about why am I here? I'm here because I fucking feel like it. I'm here because I fucking feel like it.
Stop moving.
Away
I'm
from me.
telling you to stop.
What you gonna do?
Right
You
now,
gonna arrest me?
You're going to be
You gonna arrest
You're
me?
going to get arrested for
You gonna arrest?
obstruction.
I don't give a f.
Okay.
You illegally detaining me. You illegally detaining me. Man, run my name.
Listen, Mr. Baker.
Run my name.
Mr. Baker.
Why your hand on your gun? I'm unarmed. Your hand is on a fucking weapon.
It's on top
Why?
It's on top of my home.
I'm unarmed. You can't take me
I'm not saying that.
without your gun.
Stop.
An unarmed black man. An unarmed black man. You gonna buy me a house. That's what the fuck I'm looking for. A house. And you gonna buy it. You gonna buy it. You gonna buy it. Y'all see me looking at houses, recording, looking at houses.
Okay.
That's what the fuck I'm doing. That's what I'm doing.
Pointing,
That's what I'm doing.
finger at
I'm
me?
pointing my finger. It's a finger. You gonna shoot me?
I'm gonna say it was.
You gonna shoot me?
Is my gun out?
Is you gonna shoot me?
Is my gun out?
Shoot me.
Is my gun out?
Shoot me. Shoot. Shoot. You fucking racist devil. You gonna have my kids living like this. Shoot. Shoot.
Clearly, I can't talk to you.
Shoot.
You're in a little
Shoot.
agitated state.
Yeah, because your pig ass are harassing me. I'm walking through the neighborhood because I feel like it.
Okay. And you're agitated.
Because
right
I fucking feel like it.
Okay.
With a big ass.
Okay.
That's what I'm doing. Walking through the neighborhood with a big ass. And I'm from New York. I'm not from Chicago. I'm an independent contractor. I'm here for work.
Okay.
All I do is remodel Walmarts. I remodel every Walmart in the fucking city.
That's giving me more information.
So what's
I
up?
appreciate that.
Run my fucking name and get in your fucking cruiser. Go find a real criminal and get off my big ass black.
You want to calm down?
Cause these racist ass calling police. Cause I'm black walking through the neighborhood in the middle of the street. I'm black walking in the middle of the street.
Okay. So you know why we're here?
I don't give a f cause I'm black.
And no.
Yes, why I'm here. Why you here?
We got a call.
Why you here? You got a call for what?
Suspicious person?
Suspicious doing what?
Taking pictures of houses.
So what? That's illegal?
No, I'm not saying it's illegal.
So what the f is the suspicion?
The suspicion?
Where's the suspicion?
It's a person suspicion.
It's a person. What does that mean?
A person.
A person. What does that mean?
They're suspicious of somebody that's
Of
in the
doing
neighborhood
what?
that they don't recognize.
Taking pictures.
That's it, yeah.
So what? It's a free fucking country.
Okay.
Run my name, man. Tired of talking to you.
Okay. You're not talking. You're yelling.
Niggas following me. around.
Do me a favor. Keep your hands out your
I don't
pockets.
got nothing in my. I don't got to do nothing. You gonna shoot me? Shoot me. You gonna shoot me? Shoot me. My hands in my pockets. You ever heard of walking through the neighborhood black? You ever heard driving while black? I'm walking while black. I'm walking while black. I'm walking while black. Why is your black ass on the field? I'm walking while black. Black ass. I'm walking while black.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
I'm walking while black. Why am I being detained? Why is these niggas harassing me? Why am I being harassed?
You're not being harassed.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
I'm trying to go about my fucking day. I was going back to my fucking hotel.
What hotel you staying
It
at?
doesn't fucking matter.
What hotel you staying
Doesn't
at?
matter.
It doesn't matter.
Doesn't
I'm
matter.
just trying to have a conversation
Doesn't matter.
with you.
Call your backup so I can run. You can run my name so I can keep it moving. You holding me up, wasting my time. I'm trying to go about my day.
Yeah, and you're acting out of the
I'm
norm
not
right
acting
now.
nothing.
Yes,
I'm not
you are.
acting nothing.
Why are you so agitated?
I'm agitated.
Really?
I'm agitated.
How are you agitated?
How?
Yelling, motherfucking everybody.
And I can yell.
All right.
I can motherfucker.
Is that normal behavior?
Is that a crime?
Is that normal behavior
Is
for
it a
you?
fucking crime?
Is it normal behavior
Is it a
for you?
crime?
Well, I just gotta make sure you're
Is
good,
it a
man.
crime?
I'm not saying it's a crime.
Is it a crime?
I'm not saying it's a crime.
Is it a crime?
I'm not saying it's a crime.
Is it a crime?
I'm not saying it's
Is it a crime?
Not saying
Am I committing a crime?
Not saying
Are you
that.
charging me with a crime?
Not saying
Leave me alone. I didn't do no crime. I'm walking while black through the neighborhood. Leave me alone.
Stop walking.
I don't have to.
Stop walking.
I don't have to. I'm doing what I've been doing. Walking. Taking pictures.
Mr. Baker.
That's what I'm doing. I'm
Mr.
looking
Baker.
at houses. That's what I'm doing.
Mr. Baker,
That's a nice ass house right
When was your
there.
birthday?
That's a nice house.
Mr. Baker.
Damn, this is a nice house too, man. This house is nice too, man. Damn. Forest Green, that's nice.
Mr. Baker,
That's
do me a
nice
favor.
too, man. Dick face.
And it's out of New York?
Yes. You're not going to take your badge off. You're not going to take your badge off. You're not going to take that gun off. You're not going to do nothing. Stop putting your fucking hands on me.
Right now you're being
You about
detained.
to shoot me?
Everything's fine.
You about to shoot me?
Everything's fine.
Everything's fine.
Everything's fine.
You about to shoot me?
I'm not shooting nobody.
So why you got the gun on me?
That's not a gun.
Why am I being detained?
And now they pulled a taser out on him. That's crazy.
I told you.
You're not going to cooperate. This is how we're going to handle this.
Absolutely. Let go of the phone.
Thank you.
You got a gun on me.
Anybody got no gun on
You
you?
got a gun on me. Take that Spanish
Yeah, okay.
dick.
I know.
Take that.
Walk back this way.
Yeah, Spanish. am I got the cuffs on me?
I told you why.
Why?
You're acting erratically.
Wild black. Walking wild black. Walking wild black. Walking, why am I going in the car for?
Because you are.
For what?
Because it's more secure area.
For what?
That's why.
Why? You gotta tell me, why am I going in this car?
Because I said safe.
Dick, I do what the fuck I want to do. I walk through any neighborhood I want to. I drink what the fuck I want to drink. I smoke what the fuck I want to smoke. I ain't on no papers. I ain't on none of your jurisdiction. Eat my dick. What you talking about? Okay, I got 14 years in prison. You think I give a fuck about whatever you think you could do to me?
Sit down. Sit.
You're a racist ass.
Walk away. That's it.
You're a racist ass.
I'm trying to do my job,
You ain't
man.
doing shit.
I'm trying to do my
You ain't
job.
doing shit.
Absolutely.
Go look for a real fucking crime. What am I being arrested for?
Put your feet in the car.
What am I being arrested for?
Put your feet in the car.
What am I being arrested for? You doing that fucking authority shit like I...
Come, son. Return.
So here's the deal, so you understand each other. So we understand all of this. You can sit here like this for 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40 minutes. Don't give a really don't. Eventually what's going to end up happening is they're going to take you in for the charge that they deem appropriate. They're going to let you know what it is, and you'll have a chance to either bond or be I-bond.
37, go ahead.
That's what's happening.
All I was doing was walking through the
I
neighborhood.
understand that.
And they stopped me talking about your suspicious. Suspicious of what? I'm not supposed to be angry? Suspicious of what?
You're not supposed
I'm not
to scream.
doing it. I'm not
You're not
screaming.
supposed to ball your fist up at people.
I'm not balling my fist.
Okay.
What? You
I'm
got
not-
that on camera? What? I'm lying. I'm lying to you.
You're talking.
I'm lying to you. I don't give a fuck about lying to you. How about a lie to you? Who the fuck is you? Who is you? This is racist. You niggas about to make up a fucking charge and getting shot every day. It's getting shot every day and you about to make up a charge.
You don't know me. Sit down.
You don't know me neither.
That's right. I don't call you.
So why the fuck is you talking to me like that?
I don't call you.
Because I'm
names,
black?
And I don't.
You think because you think you got more money than me? You don't. You think you got a better job? You don't.
Sit down.
I travel. I've been on mad flights. 200 flights. All I do is travel this country and work.
Okay. Sit down.
Put your feet in the car.
All I know is that you have disparaged my character from the second that I showed up.
So what are you doing to me? You think I give a fuck about your character?
Yeah,
What are you doing to my
absolutely care about my
What
character.
about my character? What about my character?
Let's go.
What about my character? What about my character?
Put your feet in the
You can stop me for nothing.
To understand when I said you've been disparaging my character from the minute I came.
Get him out. Let's go. Okay.
You want us to follow, Sarge? Yes, I do. Okay. No problem, Sergeant. Just let my sergeant know.
Yeah, I will.
All right.
Yep.
Goes over.
Yep.
All right.